Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have nothing here to but I'm going to tell you all the top tricks. So, the best top trick for me is that we have an application in both Android and iPhone phones, and with this application we can manage our earbuds. The second top trick is that we have ANC built in. We can manage its strength from low to high and adaptive, and we have the transparency mode, which works very well. Apart from that, the third top trick is that we have two equalizer options, the simple and advanced, and we can create our own equalizer presets very easily and very quickly. Apart from that, we have the wireless charging in our earbuds, and we can actually charge our earbuds three ways. And the first one is charging with our phone wirelessly, and the third way is just with a cable from the power adapter or power brick. And the final, for me, top trick is that we have in our application the setting actually to find our buds, and of course gaming mode. Goodbye.